Morning all, this is Zippo Norway again. I got a new Zippo unboxing slash review. Here it is. This one has the model number 28318, caution. But I got one question. Why do they cut the sticker on the box like this? This is the first one that I have received that's like this. All my other Zippo are like this. So if anybody knows, please comment. So here it is. This is a yellow one with a caution and restricted area on the bottom. This is my first yellow Zippo. It's not a matte finish. You got a 5-barrel hinge, regular hinge. This one was made in E of 2013. So, yep. I bought this from Germany. It had the price tag removed. I don't remember how much I paid, but it's I think it was about $30 or something. A little bit pricey, but I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I ordered it from Germany. So that's that. I'm gonna remove the seal. Like so. So there it is. It's got a okay sound to it. Let's see when the insert was made. Oh, this is a tight fit. This was made in G of 13. So a little bit later than the case. Nothing special with the insert. So yeah. I don't know what else I could say. Regular Zippo in yellow finish with a caution restricted area printed on. But I like it. So my first yellow Zippo in my collection. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you later, guys. Bye bye.